Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the Flash Furniture Kathryn 6-foot plastic folding training and event table, a versatile and durable solution for both residential and non-residential use. This rectangular training table is designed to comfortably seat up to 3 adults on one side, providing a clear view of the board and instructor, making it perfect for classrooms or training rooms. Its 1.75-inch waterproof plastic tabletop and powder-coated locking legs ensure long-lasting use, supporting up to 220 pounds of static weight, whether indoors or outdoors. The foldable leg design allows for easy transportation and compact storage, with non-marring floor caps to protect your flooring surfaces. With dimensions of 18 inches wide by 70.8 inches deep and 29 inches high, this table offers ample space for all your materials, from information papers to food and drinks. Plus, there's no assembly required, so you can set it up and start using it right away. Whether you're hosting a sip and paint party, setting up at a convention center, or distributing test packets, this table is your go-to choice for functionality and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.